Hey guys, welcome to Code Wrestling, and in this video we are going to cover the 5 essential tips on how to become a full stack developer, and in last part of this video we will cover the top 7 web application development companies which will hire you in 2020. So let's get started with the topic on how to become a full stack developer in 2020. This is one of the cool topic for developers. Many technologies are there to learn, but discussion on how to become a full stack developer has never been stopped. On LinkedIn and Facebook, lots of people put their job title as full stack developer. You can find lots of articles on Medium which will discuss full stack developers benefit and disadvantages. So guys, let's figure it out. What is a full stack developer? In simple words, full stack developer is a kind of person who master a variety of skills and use these skills to complete a product independently. In other terms, a full stack developer is an engineer who can handle all work of databases, servers, system engineering and clients depending on the project and the need of customer. It may be a mobile stack, a web stack and a native application stack. In fact, full stack refers to a collection of series of technologies needed to complete a project. A stack refers to a collection of sub-modules. These software sub-modules combine together to achieve the requirement without the need of other modules. A qualified full stack developer should have functional knowledge and capabilities for all aspects involved in building the application. So the first skill you require to be a full stack developer is programming languages. You need to be good enough in multiple programming languages such as Java, PHP, C#, Python, Ruby, Perl and many more, as most of your core business process need to be written in these languages, and you need to be familiar with how to structure, design, implementation and testing on the project based on one language or many languages. For example, if you choose Java, then you need to master the object-oriented design and development, and in development, design pattern, J2EE based on component of the development and more. So now the question is, from where should I learn all these technologies? For all the best programmer, I would suggest GitHub. This is the best place for learning and sharing your codes, and you should prepare yourself practically for being a good full stack developer. So GitHub is the best place to learn all the programming languages. The second must skill is the use of development framework and third-party libraries. The popular development language are generally accompanied by a good development framework, such as in Java you have Spring and Hibernate, in Python you have Django, and in PHP you have ThinkPHP, Yen, Node.js, Express and many more. The third skill is you should know about the front-end technologies. Front-end technologies are becoming more and more important in today's project and product development. In addition to product feature, the user experience is one of the criteria to test the success of a product. All that depends on the implementation of front-end technologies, so you need to master some basic front-end technologies such as HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript and the front-end framework or third-party libraries such as jQuery, Less, Sass, AngularJS and React. And the fourth skill you should know is database and cache. Any product or project need a database to store data. As a full stack developer, you also need to have at least 1 or 2 databases, and you know how to interact with database. Currently, the popular database is MySQL, MongoDB, Redis, Oracle, SQL Server. And for document type database, MongoDB is being used more widely in internet products. As for larger products, I recommend using MySQL or commercial Oracle as the backend database, while memory database such as Redis can be used for caching to improve system performance. The fifth and most important skill for being a full stack web developer is to have knowledge of basic design ability. Most of the article or discussion about the full stack developer are rarely related to design requirement, but I think design skill is very important. The principle of and skill of basic prototype design, UI design, UX design are also must needed to understand for a good web developer or a full stack developer. Lots of people have spent 10 years to master the front-end, back-end, client-oriented knowledge content to be full stack developer. So don't think you can become a full stack developer overnight. What you need to do is to build the technical foundation, focus to strengthen your core skill and keep learning for more challenges. So these are enough skill for a full stack developer in 2020. Now moving to the next part of video, we will discuss about 7 web application development companies which will hire you in 2020. The first company is QSS Technosoft, a web development company in US which has created several web applications solving different needs for its clients across the world. Their strong developer team has experience in delivering complex web projects for sectors like games, logistics, IT and healthcare. So you can check out their website. In higher section, you can apply for the job. The second company is ScienceSoft, having office in US and Europe. This company has released more than 800 successful web applications. ScienceSoft develops highly available, highly functional and visually engaging software that creates value to medium and large business in more than 10 domains including manufacturing, healthcare, retail and banking. ScienceSoft's web development is supported by experts with the in-depth knowledge of mobile development, cloud service, blockchain, cryptography, IoT, machine learning and augmented reality. The third company in my list is Cyber Infrastructure. This Indian company has been delivering optimal solution to its wide-ranging global client base. With over 12 plus years of experience in the field of IT, CIS has the right expertise to help you with all your technology need. Just tell them your unique IT requirement and get the most innovative web development solution with a guaranteed success rate. Some of the major services include open source development, web and mobile application development, business intelligence and analytics, front-end design and cloud infrastructure implementation and many more. The next company in my list is Space-O Technologies, working with the aim to make web application easily accessible to all levels of society. The company is currently offering an extensive range of incredible solutions to the client in various sectors. The another company for web application development is IntellectSoft, working with the mission to help enterprise accelerate adoption of new technologies while handling complex issues. The company maintains its advanced domain expertise through 5 dedicated labs: cognitive computing, decentralized application that is blockchain, Internet of Things, premium customer experience and mixed reality, which includes artificial reality and virtual reality. So this is one of the best company to work with for web application development or as a full stack developer. The sixth company in my list is Hidden Brains Solution. This company is aimed at improving efficiencies by advancing the quality of support in their web development service. Focusing on future innovation, the company offers end-to-end web application development service, helping various sectors to connect with users efficiently and effectively. The last company in my list is Constant Solution. This Constant Solution develops a great solution which is catering to all needs of various industries. Constant strictly follows a client-centric approach in delivering best mobile and web applications. The company works on emerging technology like cloud computing, IoT development, open source development, and has successfully delivered hundreds of web solutions to its clients across sectors like travel, healthcare, transport, gaming, media, and many more. The all companies which are mentioned in my list are having a higher section. You can go and check out the job profile which you want to look for. Hope you guys have learned something new from this video, and if you want to learn more about IT world and technologies, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any doubt, comment below. We will come with the best solution very soon. Thanks for watching the video, and you can check out our other videos based on machine learning, data science,